Found some more Valentines. What is this? I guess there's no more. Okay. Yeah, but no cotton candy, no candy. I got one candy. I got a little bit of Valentine's Day stuff left. Those are cute. I know these candles aren't on sale. No, I can't believe they have no candy left. Oh, this is so cute. Look, Mom. There's bags. There's no candy left. All the Valentine's is gone. Okay. Oh, 50% off. These are cute. They got their flowers on sale. I wonder where all those roses went. They had, all right there was so many roses yesterday. This can't be all they have left. Wow, somebody put these over here and now they're dead. Jackasses. Well, hopefully they come back to life. These on sale. What the hell is wrong with people? What does this grow as a heart? That's weird. Oh, aloe plant. Hi guys. It is nice out, but it's windy. As you can see, my hair's blowing everywhere. But yeah, I just came for a walk. It's really nice out. It's like 50 degrees. So I'm gonna go for this walk and then go home. I gotta clean the house. But yeah, other than that, just enjoying the weather. We'll have the Valentine's Day set up. It's cute. Okay, so I just got home. I'm so red and hot. Whew. So I did like 1.8 miles. Yeah, I just love this type of weather. It's 50 degrees here today. It's a little windy, not too bad. But yeah, I absolutely love walking, you guys. I'll take walks at nighttime, everything. And I love like living in the middle of the city because you can just walk it. It's all lit up, you know, 24/7. I gotta pick up the house. I gotta do the kitchen, and yeah. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. I just made Naya put a sweater on, and I told her this looks cute with the collar.
Cap.
But
no, you did not say that. You said it did not match at all. Yeah, guys,
Okay.
I know that looks cute with this sweater.
So we're making this finally. Hopefully she likes it. It's already 8 o'clock. So get the milk out. You have to empty this cake mix into the cup and then add about 2 of these.
2 spoons.
Yep.
2 spoons
Yes. You can do like 1.5.
of milk.
Or water, but I figured you would want milk. Yep, dump it all in there. Alright guys, so it's the same night that we just got off of live when I was cooking, so I didn't do the dishes yet. That's good. Too much. Put your spoon in there. Put your spoon in there before you drip.
No one can compare to my mixing skills.
Okay, well, just pay attention and mix up. So I gotta clean the kitchen after, and then I'm gonna go take a shower. Look at this one, always looking at the dang spoons.
Yeah, and I have to go wash my
Keep that right there because you have to use it for this. So So yeah, thank you guys for the super chats. That was so nice of you. I always have so much fun with you guys. So this is how it looks. Let me know how it is, because if it's good, I'm gonna make one.
Not define me with this color. I just saw how idiotic I looked in the mirror.
It's okay, you're getting ready for bed.
My yellow sweater wasn't okay. Compared to how this looks,
Your yellow sweater, you
it
got
looks
paint
10
all
times
over
better.
it.
That's why it's perfect.
They love you for you.
No, I know.
Naya's getting her hair done on Monday. So that means we gotta take braids out this weekend. How's it? It's good?
Delicious.
It won't
Smiley
come
face,
off.
smiley face, smiley face.
Go ahead, try it. Good. Naya just did her COVID test, so I'm about to do it. Let's see what it says. Yeah, right now I gotta clean the kitchen, but I ended up making one of those cookie in a mug or whatever that thing was, cake in a mug thing. I did not like it, you guys. I ate like 3 bites and it gave me a stomach ache. It's way too sweet for me and just gross. But while her test is doing its thing, sorry you can't see me, I'm gonna come and clean the kitchen real quick. Because like I said, we got off live a couple hours ago, but I just had such a bad headache when I got off. So I just laid on the couch, watched a couple episodes of Ozark, and then my headache fully went away. So now that it's fully gone, I'm gonna put the dishes in the dishwasher. I gotta switch the K-cups from the Valentine's. I gotta put them back in the carousel. So yeah, I guess you guys can watch me pick up the kitchen. You guys, look at Naya's cup. The cookie is like hard as a rock down there. I followed the instructions on what it said, so I told you guys I am not good at baking. I could mess up an easy bake oven recipe. That's how bad I suck at baking. So these are the flavors of coffee I drink. I took them out of here, put them back in the carousel. Let's go see if Naya's test is done. Well, I am all done cleaning. Now we're gonna see if Naya's test is negative. Yep. Negative. The kids are on school vacation next week, so that's good. All right, well, that's probably gonna be a short vlog, but if you did enjoy, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So I just woke up. It was like a wind storm last night. The wind was so crazy. The windows were shaking. Even when I was in the living room, the floor started shaking. It's crazy. Let's go say good morning to Naya. See if she's ready for school. You gonna come get your snacks ready?
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
Want to say hi to the vlog?
No.
What are you doing over here? Say hi.
Hi.
You're a brat. Why are you being a brat? Oh, my coffee's done. So yeah, guys, I wanted to go for a walk today, but this rain. Oh my goodness, it sounds like so bad out there. Can't believe it. Alright, well, I'm gonna make my coffee. It's 7:10. We have to leave in 10 minutes. You guys hear that? That's the rain. Look at this. Wow. You see how crazy this rainstorm is? Look at it, looks like my, you guys can't see it, but it looks like my screen is like coming off. I cannot believe this. And this is how it was all night long, like literally all night. It didn't stop. I can't even believe that. I had my window open for a few minutes when it first started raining. I went in there, the windowsill was all wet. It's like, wow. It's a little flood out there. Look at that trash that washed down. Little bugs. So it stopped raining. You know what stopped raining when the bus got here? I was like, I'm sorry, I'm eating a bagel. The kids that were standing in the rain, they were like jumping around, having the time of their life. I'm like, do you guys want to come in the hall? And I can, because I can see we wait in the hallway and I can see the bus through the reflection of the building across from us. And I was like, oh, do you guys want to come inside so you don't get wet? They're like, no, we want to play in the rain. I said, okay. And in my head, I'm thinking, okay, we want to play in the rain until we're sick tomorrow. Because, you know, they're going to go to school soaking wet. That's one thing I hated about school. I hated going to school, like, when it was snowing or raining. Because, so, where I grew up, bus stop was, like, all the way down the hill. And all the way at the other end of the entrance. So we would have to walk, I would say, at least a half a mile. And so by the time we would get to the bus stop, you know, we would be soaking wet or cold, or our feet would be wet from the snow. Well, it stopped raining and the sun is out now. So it's about like 8:15. I want to go down to CVS. I'm going to tell Riz I'm just going to walk. There's a couple coupons I want to use, so I'm going to get this. The big bottle of the Tide detergent is usually 20 bucks. With my coupons, guys, I'm going to get it for like $4 and some change. I cannot wait. So I'm going to go get dressed, go get ready for the day, and then head out. So I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed and you like my content, make sure you subscribe. All right, bye guys.